Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 512 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel that I have in the shade Natural Light Brown. And this little tiny brow gel right here is part of my June Ipsy Glam Bag add-ons. So if you want to see my unbagging of that, I will link that video down below. But so I paid $3 to have this added on to my June Ipsy Glam Bag order. But I've just been on the search for a great brow gel. I just ran out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which I love, but I wanted to find another good brow gel replacement, and this one has such high ratings. It seems like everyone loves it, and I tend to really like the high rated products, but we're gonna find out today if I actually do. But so on the Ulta website, you can buy the full-size version of this for $24 or a mini version for $12. And this does come in 8 different shades, which for a brow gel, that's pretty good. This claims to volumize, tame, and tint the brows. Water resistant and long wearing, natural looking, and buildable. So I did not put anything in my brows yet. Usually I'll do a pencil and then I'll do a gel, but in order to review this product, I wanted to only use the gel, and then we can compare how the brow looks before and after. So let's see how this looks. Oh my gosh, the cutest tiny applicator, but I love a tiny brush for the brows. So here's what it looks like. And I'm just going to brush it through the brows. And let's see how they transform. It's just crazy how much of a difference I feel like having filled in brows makes in my appearance. Like, I feel so incomplete if I don't have my brows filled in. I really like this color. And I am seriously impressed right now by how natural this looks in the brows. Like, there's no clumping or like uneven pigment. It looks so good. Okay, look at that difference right now. And that was so easy. I really do feel like it just made my brows look naturally full. Like, I barely need to touch these up with a pencil, and that's saying a lot coming from me because I always feel like I need to add a pencil no matter how good the brow gel is. But because this just filled them in so evenly and precisely, it just did such a good job of also shaping the brows along with filling them in. Now I don't do anything to my brows. I don't get them waxed or threaded or even really pluck them. So I don't change up the shape much, which is why I would still probably go in with a little bit of pencil to define the shape to be more perfect. But considering this is just my natural brow, I think it looks really good. But now I'll just go in and fill in the other brow, because my brows definitely are not the exact same shape. So this way we can see how it looks on another shaped brow. But let me know in the comments down below what your favorite types of brow products are. Do you like pencils? Do you like gels? Do you like pomades? And I am finding that this is buildable, because if I just went in with a little bit, it makes the brows lighter, but then I can build up the color a little bit or add some definition, like make it darker towards the end. Wow, I am so impressed by this formula. I really do feel like I've been missing out. I should have been using this brow gel all along. I should have trusted all those high ratings, and this really is living up to the hype. Now let's see if it's keeping the brow hairs. Yes, in place, because I have really long brow hairs and I do not want them moving throughout the day. But this really does have nice hold to it without feeling crunchy. Like, somehow the brow hairs still feel soft, but I'm not having any transfer. Wow, okay, yes. Such a great formula. Exactly what I was looking for. I'm definitely going to go through this tiny little tube here very quickly. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing that full-size product, but I'm really glad that I also found the perfect shade, natural light brown. I get so happy and excited when a product just performs so well, even above expectations. That's why I love doing this trying a new makeup product every day series. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.